You would never throw a temper tantrum, would you?
We've been helping kids stay strong and healthy for generations. Formulated with key antioxidants to help support human health.
You happy? Charlotte, can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie?
Say picture. Smile. Hey, smile. God smile. Cheese smile. Hey, cheese. Smile. No. No, here. No,
No, his name's Hunter.
No.
His name's Hunter, not Joe.
No.
Did you bet?
Not nice, no.
No. Stop. Don't you frown at me. You smile at that. Okay? All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you mad?
Mom, look, she can come off.
Solution for restoring and
You'll never have a boyfriend.
Okay, come on, mommy. Let's fight. Let's fight. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Okay, okay.
Come on, Carson. Look, it's right here. Come get it. Come get it. Hi. Hi. Can I get a smile? No?
Love you. Now I wanted just to tell you, and it didn't take long, the way I feel about you is a kind of song. I started with an ooh, and I gave you a kiss.
Oh, careful. Don't pull it down. Say cookie. Are you having a temper tantrum? Sean. Sean.
Maddox.